No much time for drama, been through so much, yeah, it's trauma. Gotta keep that too, cause of all that chit chat, yeah. Pussy boy talk on that ultimate, just a youngin' with a whole lot of stats. If you and I, we gon' talk them, send the shooters on your ass. Just hit the lid, ride around with motherfuckers sticks. Big ol' chopper, that shit hit. 2K20, we poppin' on some hot shit, yeah, we gon' pop shit. Making bands and hitting that list. Run up on me, I stay strapped when it sticks. Catch me post up in the bird, bitch, I'm high like a bird. Sippin' on kitty and poppin' them perks. Hold up, bitch, deep skirt, let them choppers out. None of these bitches know what they talking about. 23 shots like I play for them Lakers. Gotta keep my head out, cause call them haters. We bout to run up a bag, yeah, we bout to chase at this cash, yeah, yeah. They tryna call me in blue, I'm just stay out the way. Skip school just to make a play. I can't fuck with you, cause of you on some odd shit. Pull up, we gon' pop shit. Diamonds be glisten, snakes in the grass, they be hissing. 30 shot like Curry, I never be missing. Me and my team like the Lakers, we stay be winning. Hey, hey, on that team with a whole lot of drip. All this money on fucking your bitch. Get rich and not trying, ice on my wrist. Don't let me hear you talking that shit. Run up on me, I'ma get to blasting. Money coming in, yeah, stacking. Fuck the system, they be capping. Free all the real ones, free all the real ones. Just a youngin' with a whole lot of guap. Talking shit, I'ma make you drop. Ayy, foreign cars and cash, that's a lot. I don't fuck with an odds, yeah. Strapped up like the spec cops. Running from them blue lights, we gon' leave a dead eye. Just a youngin' headed to the top. AR-15 with a red dot sight. Gliding tub every night. 10-15, got locked up in the cell. Praying to do right. Sending shots to your home. Bitch, be blowing on my phone. I be falling like my home. On top for a hoe, she a bitch be pulling on my show. Love, they come and go. Bitch on my lap is ready to blow. Dripping from head to toe. Snakes in the grass won't let this shit grow. All this ice on me, yeah, that shit be glow. Hey, bitch, I'm a boss. Fall down, that could be a cost. Me and my team never lost. 2-2-3, leave you with a nosebleed. All designer on me. Bitch, so wet like I'm splashing these threes. Ballin' like I play for the Heat. Take you down like a motherfucker tree. Shut up like the Marines. Hey, run that gas on motherfucker shells. Run up on me, so you're dumb as the hell. Ballin' so hard, now I might need a bell. Only 17 tryna beat the case. If it ain't buying money, get out of my face. Yeah, hey, we gon' stand the Addy, we gon' pull up. Hey, flexin' on the run up with that Skrilla. Late night, sour strap with a pistol. Cross that gun line, we gon' pop you. Me and my team, like Batman and Robin. Put money on your head, ain't no dodging, yeah. Since I was 13, I started robbing, yeah. See the blue lights, ain't no stopping. Was born to be like famous like Gotti. Smoking the gas, I feel like Bob Marley. Keep on Glock, ayy. Keep it like I ain't with all that barking. Have you dance, tapping like Marvin. I'm the king of the hill, feel like Darwin. Going harder, pain, no stopping, ayy. Yeah, I ain't stopping, yeah. May 29, first day out, yeah. We gon' pop out. All this money, I'ma rock out. With them choppers out. Team full of shotters. 17, you know it. Whole lot of stats, yeah. If you not, we gon' tag. Never see me lag. Design on me, you know that I'm shad. Hey, diamond be water, run up on me. Make it